Hello students, welcome, and in this lecture we are going to study variable separable method. So what is the solution of a differential equation if we apply variable separable method? So we can apply to obtain solution of a differential equation by variable separable method if the coefficient of dx is only x and the coefficient of dy is only y, and if it is not there, so we can make it right like this. So what I want to say is that let us suppose dy by dx is equal to minus x by y is an equation, differential equation of first order. And if we want to solve this differential equation, can we apply variable separation method? So in variable separation method, we want to bring all the function of x as a coefficient of dx and all the function of y as a coefficient of dy. So we can write this as y dy is equal to minus x. So yes, variable has been separated. Now we can simply integrate both the sides and say the answer is y square by 2 is equal to minus x square by 2 plus constant of integration, which is also called the arbitrary constant. So this will become x square plus y square is equal to 2c. This is the solution of this differential equation by variable separation. Thank you, students.